So as Mayank said, will be stored in the secrets. Because secrets are what? Secrets are something known as sensitive data, right? It has sensitive information. You can't store the secrets into the config map. Okay, by default, secrets in Kubernetes are base 64 encrypted. By default, secrets in Kubernetes are base 64 encrypted. So if I have to create a secret, I will create an object name as kind as secret, right? And I will say that okay, the name of the secret is MySQL hyphen secret. I'll define the type of the secret. Okay, I will define the type of the secret that okay it is what type of the it is opaque or something, and I'll give the password in the encrypted formats. Okay, I will give the password in the base 64 encrypted format, right? So we have definitely multiple types of secrets. We have like you can have the opaque is like the default one, right? Means it just store the secret as a normal key value pair as we can see here. But apart from that, there are the secret like service account, right? There are the secrets we have for the you can fetch it from the other secret managers or from AWS secrets and stuff. So secrets are nothing but it's a object, it's a resource with help of which you can store all the sensitive information. So now as I'm going to create the secret, now if you see this, you see there is a this secret being created. And now you see I can if you I will decrypt the secret value is known as password only. Whereas I have encrypted, so encrypted value is this, right? That means it is base 64 encrypted and you have to decrypt it, right? It had decrypt whenever it is needed. If you see again edit, you will edit the YAML. You see that everything is same. Kind is this, metadata is this, namespace it is added, it has added other required details, and rest all remains same here. Now, this is only a very basic example, but when we will run the projects and things, we can see how you can fetch or you can generate some secrets via the different methodologies. Okay. Now, how to use the secret? How to use the secret means, example, remember in stateful set, here we have provide environment value, MySQL root password. So these all are interlinked to each other, okay? Config map, secret, and these things they are interlinked to the pods and deployment. Now you have to get the value of this, right? So you have just given the value instead of config key or references here. You just paste config, sorry, secret key reference here. Give the name of the secret which you want. Which name of the secret you want? You created by SQL secret. What type of secret it is? It is a password, right? That maintains the sensitivity. Okay, that maintains the sensitivity of the secret. So this is how you can call it.